Nvidia went up 5,725% in just a few years' time. Do you think Softbank will be the next Nvidia? And is 2025 the right time to buy it? I'll explain to you why. Nvidia, the undisputed king of AI chips, now is facing an unexpected challenger. Entered Softbank, led by the visionary billionaire Masayoshi Son. He is investing a lot into AI technologies. But do you think that he can dethrone Nvidia? Let's look at it now. If this is the first time you're here, my name is Eric. I've been investing since I was 18 years old for more than 20 years. Yeah, I know, a little bit younger, right? I invest in all kinds of instruments, stocks, bonds, ETFs, mutual funds, warrants, options, even watches, you name it. I want to give you a unique perspective about Asian stocks listed in the US so that you can have an edge over other investors to make a lot of money. Remember to subscribe so that you're not going to miss out. As we all know, Nvidia's dominance in AI and GPU technologies is unmatched. From the training of massive data model of ChatGPT to that of enabling metaverse, Nvidia is everywhere with AI. However, Masayoshi Son is quietly assembling its arsenal. You will see why. Masayoshi Son, after years of strategic tech investments, is pivoting from startups to actually become a direct competitor. His goal is to have Softbank become the Nvidia of tomorrow. So what's Softbank's strategy? Softbank is not starting from scratch per se. In fact, they already own ARM, which is a critical player in the semiconductor architecture, and they recently acquired Graphcore, an AI chip maker. Softbank's plan is ambitious. By 2026, they already plan to have their own AI chips, and they promised they would be better in terms of efficiency and scalability compared with Nvidia's GPUs, which is crazy. But it doesn't stop there. Softbank heavily invests in AI startups like OpenAI, which created the ChatGPT, and other startups so that they are deeply integrated into the AI ecosystem. Nvidia went up 5,725% since 2017. Is Softbank the next Nvidia? Is it time to buy in 2025? Let's continue watching the video and see if this is the case. So what are the market reactions and the challenges ahead? The market is already taking notice of what Softbank is trying to do. For example, they're already speculating that they might take over or at least compete with Nvidia's A100 and H100 chips, which are important for AI training. One of the major challenges faced by Softbank to break into the near monopoly established by Nvidia is that software engineers and enterprises are already closely tied to the CUDA ecosystem established by Nvidia. So this would be a key competitive advantage that they have. Fun fact, do you know ARM, the semiconductor architecture company owned by Softbank, they actually powers 95% of the smartphones around the world. Do you think that this will give competitive advantage over Nvidia? Leave me in the comments below. This is not just about the competition of two companies. It's about the future of AI or even the future of mankind. In the coming 5 years until 2030, we expect AI to be worth $80 billion in terms of market size. Whoever wins the race would win how the innovation would go on for mankind in the future. For Nvidia, this is about maintaining their dominance. For Softbank, it is about how they turn their investment into groundbreaking technology and to lead the innovation in AI. Okay, so which one should we invest? How do the financials figures look like? For Softbank, the market cap is around $90 billion as of the 6th of January 2025. At the same time, the Nvidia capitalization is $3.7 trillion, which is crazy. So Nvidia's stock price increased approximately 200% in the past year. while Softbank's stock price went up around 40%, which is still quite decent, but not as high as Nvidia, of course. And here comes the interesting part. The price to earnings ratio, PE ratio of Softbank is only 6.4. And how much is Nvidia? Nvidia's PE ratio is 60, which is crazy, which reflects the expectation of investors of a very high growth from Nvidia. So, in theory, Softbank could also go up to 60 PE ratio, which means that the share price can go up 10 times. So, in conclusion, Nvidia has the first mover advantage over Softbank, but Softbank definitely has the money to potentially disrupt the market. If this is the case, given the PE ratio is only 6 for Softbank and 60 for Nvidia, there's a chance that Softbank's share price can go up 10 times. What's your take on that? Do you think that this is possible? Leave me in the comments below. Most of you are not subscribed. You can't imagine how much it makes a difference to me to continue making videos for you guys. So remember, subscribe and give us a like so that we can continue making more videos and give you more insights about Asian stocks listed in the US. See you next time.